How to use two WhatsApp account in one phone. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp in one phone. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here you can see this is business WhatsApp account and this is normal WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how you can use this normal WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just show you. I don't have any WhatsApp here, and it's very simple and easy process that you can use two normal WhatsApp in one phone. So here what you need to do, it's very simple. You don't need to download any application. You just need to go to settings. After going to settings, here you just need to scroll down and then go to apps or install apps or app management, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So you have to click on app cloner. Simply you need to click on app cloner, and then here you can see uh, these are the apps which you can use two account in one phone. So you have to just click on WhatsApp, and then here you have to click enable this. Okay, you can see creating app clone, so you have to hold on for some second or minute, and it will just create in another WhatsApp for you on the same device. So you can see it's done. So let me just go back. Let me just check the another WhatsApp. Okay, here you can see, sorry, here you can see the another WhatsApp. So this is how you can use two WhatsApp. And also, if you don't have this option, then what you need to do is that you have to just go to Play Store, and then here this is an alternative option if you want to use two WhatsApp. So here on the search bar on Play Store, you have to search for parallel space. Okay, you have to just search for this application, and then after searching for this parallel space, you just need to download the application, and from there you have to enter in the application parallel space, and then from there you can use two WhatsApp account. My network is not that good, so I hope you can do that, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.